Where do you think we're going?
The dentist!
No, we're not going to the dentist.
Where are we going?
Where do you think we're going?
Mama?
Nope.
Is Scarlet?
Nope.
Where?
I don't know.
The park? Where are we going?
I don't know.
If we're not going to the dentist, then where are we going?
Where do you think we're going?
Park?
Take a guess.
What?
What did you say?
Poopland.
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 Walmart? Mama?
I don't know.
The Scarlet's house.
Where are we going, babe?
The house.
To Nanya Boulevard.
Target.
Target.
I think we're going to the mountains.
Mountains.
Oh, we are heading that way.
We could be better if we do this together. Better you, better me, better us. Hey gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn your notification bell on so you can get notified every single time that I post. Alright, so a little backstory. This event didn't just happen. It actually happened around Mother's Day, but just for the simple fact that we wanted to surprise all of our family members first and let them know before posting anything. That's why we waited so long on posting the video. So we had our eyes on this car for quite a while. We had actually gone a couple of months before to ask what were the requirements and what we needed in order for us to get a car. But we just left it at that. So on this particular day, my husband told me to get ready, and he said that we had an appointment to go to, and well, this is what happened. I do want to apologize for not posting for about 2 weeks. I'm so sorry. I've been so busy and so stressed, and there was just so much going on with me that I couldn't even work out. There was just so much going on. But I'll talk more about that in another video. Also, if you guys have any questions on pricing or what were the requirements or what they asked us for, just let me know and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Enjoy!
So, this is where he brought us. Let's see how it goes.
Sorry, I just want the flowers. Mom, take a picture of the flowers.
Come on. Are you excited? Me too. I'm nervous. So we'll see how it goes. Mm-hmm. Which one's this one? Ooh, pretty. You like it? It's pretty. Yeah, but we're not gonna do that. Look at that, so beautiful. You girls like it? You like it? Ooh, very spacious. He wants to see how he looks in the car. Weirdo.
Want some, Mama?
Hmm? No, baby. Mr. Cool Guy. Ew. So nice. Beautiful. I love this.
Wait, look at all the cars that I'm looking at it right here. The white one and the black one.
So cool. I did. before it dies. That's it, we got it! Tell me, sir, do you like the way the car drives?
No. Ugly.
You wouldn't recommend it to the people?
No, we're not.
Why? Please tell me.
Because it's ugly.
Are you sure it's not because you don't want anybody else having this car?
Nothing to do with it. Nothing to do with it.
Are you sure?
Yes. I like the way it looks.
That's it?
Yep.
What do you not like about the car?
Everything. Sunroof, seat warmers, seat coolers, 7 seats. I don't want 7 seats. I want 1 seat.
Okay, stop driving my car then. So I'm kind of glad I waited this long to post the video, because now I can truly say that I like the car and we're no longer in that honeymoon state with the car. We got to know the car, we got to see all the features it has, and I honestly would recommend it 100% to any family that has a lot of kids, because it's very spacious and it's very convenient for everyone. It is very comfortable. If you don't want to go for a big car, I really recommend this car. So thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I'm so sorry I took so long to post a video. It's been so long, I know. I will try to post more often, and of course I will try to give you guys more content on what my channel is about, because I know that my channel has nothing to do with cars or anything like that. I just wanted to share this with you guys because it's a big deal, you know. Like, we've been in a small car and the kids are growing, so yeah, I was just really excited to share this with you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and
Give us a like.
yes. Thank you. Bye.
Say what you want.